Good morning. This is day one of Nola Drift end of year bash. You see this fog? Yeah, we had to deal with this last night, but it was a lot worse. Yeah, but hopefully day one goes pretty good. I can't see nothing. Crazy. You can hear me very well, but this is like my fourth or fifth run in the G35. It's doing pretty good. It's a little different. It's kind of like drifting a couch, I guess. But let's go. We're gonna do some tandem with Eric and Spencer, and see how that goes.
Here at Nola Motorsports Park for end of year bash. Hey Brad.
What's up? Oh, what's up?
Hopefully we got enough tires. Looks like a lot, but it's 2 days of drifting.
I'm sorry!
Hey bro, it happens.
Oh,
It's okay.
is it alright?
It's okay. Yeah, we're good, I think. I'm gonna check
What
it out.
happened? I just understeered a little bit, I guess, or lost
Yeah,
grip.
you might
I don't
wanna
know.
pull over. You're like right in the middle.
Yeah, let me get
Did you hit something?
I'm gonna get over here. Hang on.
You hit the guardrail?
No, Scott hit me.
Oh shit!
That's not that bad.
It's not bad. It's like a drift ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, yours looks worse.
I don't want to look at it. Oh, 04?
Okay. I have 06 manual.
So, I thought I only messed up my front bumper when me and Scott hit each other. Yeah, man, it's kind of fucked up. But also, cracked the radiator support right there, right there. Having to hold the radiator in with a strap now. Whatever, it'll work.
as hell.